The cost of living in today's economy is really expensive. We must therefore make every effort to invest and save money. It must develop for us to live the lives we desire to live. When you live a simple lifestyle, you frequently concentrate on major expenses like utility bills, petrol, and groceries. There are, however, a lot of simple things you can do to save money and make the most of your purchases. In today's video, we will be discussing 5 hacks that will save you money. Before we begin, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video to help get more views. 1. Switch off all electrical devices. Appliances that are powered by an external source that uses electricity even when not in use. For instance, your phone charger increases your electricity cost if it is plugged in but not in use, as does your TV even when it is in standby mode. By turning off everything at the outlet at night, you might reduce your energy costs by 20% or more. Although appliances have advanced significantly over the last 7 years, there is still money to be saved. 2. Build your credit. Work on improving your credit regardless of whether it is good, fair, or bad. Utility and insurance companies have started using credit scores to decide your monthly price, in addition to using credit to determine your rate on loans. 3. Have a no-spend day. A day when you refrain from making non-essential purchases is known as a no-spend day. Takeout coffee might be skipped, a packed lunch might be brought to work, and no shopping at all might be done. Consider it a financial cleanse. Consider it a challenge and invite your friends or family to participate. You could even make it a weekly or monthly event. 4. Become a flexitarian. A flexitarian is someone who eats flexibly, is not entirely vegetarian, but also not consuming a lot of meat. You will save a lot of money by eating vegetarian 2 to 3 times per week as beef and other meats become more expensive. 5. Search for free activities. There is a strong desire to make up for lost time and spend more money on entertainment after being cooped up for such a long time during lockdowns. To have fun, though, you don't need to spend money. Look for free performances at local festivals or concerts, and make it a point to contribute to affordable neighborhood events. On specific days, several museums offer free admission, and going to the neighborhood park or library is completely free. 6. Automate your money. Make saving easier by automatically depositing funds into a savings account. It makes no difference how much. Simply set away a particular amount each month, and it will add up so quickly that you won't even notice the money has disappeared. That's it for today, folks. If you know any other health benefits of drinking celery juice every morning, kindly share them with us in the comments. Bye for now.